In social situations, how to overcome nervousness. When it comes to social situations, it's very normal to feel nervous. Talking to strangers and taking risks can be challenging or even terrifying for anyone who suffers from social anxiety. These feelings of anxiety can be alleviated with a few simple techniques. To assist you to deal with social anxiety, we've outlined a few tips in this post that you can follow. Attempt to meet a stranger. It's common for people to feel anxious when they're forced to interact with someone they don't know or have never met before in a social context. The best method to overcome this and get over your jitters is to chat to someone fresh every time you're in a social situation. This is something that you can get better at by putting in more effort. You won't be shy in social situations, even if you don't know anyone else in the room yet if you practice enough. Get dressed in something that makes you feel good about yourself. Because of their clothing, some people are nervous when they're in social situations. They either overthink what their dress choice says, choose attire that restricts and discomforts them, or choose something ugly, thereby undermining their self-esteem. To combat nervousness and increase your self-assurance, choose clothes that make you feel good about yourself. Feeling confident can take you to a whole new level of success. Avoid going too far from where you feel most comfortable. The more you push yourself out of your comfort zone, the less anxious you will be when you try new activities or are in social situations. To keep your nerves in check, it's best not to venture too far from the safety of your familiar surroundings. Try new things and expand your horizons while being true to yourself in terms of wardrobe, personality traits, and ideas. This combination will allow you to strengthen and accomplish better without leaving you to feel utterly alone in a new land. This combination will help you to improve. Don't stop putting yourself out there in public. The most effective way to overcome social anxiety is to continue placing yourself in situations where you feel nervous. The more you do it, the more comfortable you'll become with it, and the easier it will be. Your progress is thrown out the window the moment you give up, and everything you've worked for is wasted. To re-enter those social situations will become increasingly challenging the longer you wait before doing so again. You can't stop now. Put yourself in these social situations as often as possible. Getting used to it or overcoming those nerves is impossible without it. Doing it is the only way to ensure success. When you're fully committed to this, you'll feel better and have fewer nerves. Social anxiety can be alleviated by increasing your time in social situations. You'll only be able to relax and stop worrying if you do this, no matter how contradictory it seems. It will become easier for you if you follow our instructions and push yourself to become more comfortable.